Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the second position we can see the picture as preview option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. This is our mirror effect. And we have also short info from the device that when we have it turned on, we can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course we have to remember that to make it work correctly, we have to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right to take selfies. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.